This is the kind of message no business owner wants to wake up to. But what happened next turned this upset customer into a loyal brand advocate. Let me show you how. Customers might forget the exact price of a product, but they will always remember how you treated them when something went wrong. Good customer service builds emotional loyalty. Empathy means seeing through the customer's eyes and feeling their frustration, and then acting to ease it. When customers feel you truly care, they'll choose you again and again. In today's fast-paced world, speed is not just a bonus, it's expected. A quick response can instantly change the tone of the conversation and turn anger into loyalty. Acquiring new customers costs 5 times more than keeping existing ones. Happy customers stay, buy more, and even recommend you to others, becoming your unpaid marketers. Gratitude is a small gesture with massive impact. A simple thank you makes customers feel valued, respected, and eager to come back. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more hacks.